For today, we are looking at this simple algebra problem from 2017 SMO Junior section. It's given that x equals to square root of 207 plus 1. You asked to find the value of this expression. For those students that do not have much experience in Math Olympiad, they probably will sub in x as square root 2017 plus 1 into here. And this is not advisable.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
What should we do now is to look at this. X equals to square root of 2017 plus 1. We can have two important information, that is x minus square root 2017 equals 1, or x minus 1 equals to square root of 2017, which will give us x minus 1 squared equals to 2017. Expand this, it will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals to 2017. And this finally gives us x squared minus 2x equals to 2016. We are going to use this information, these two information, into this expression. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So from x cubed minus 2 plus square root of 2017x squared, it can be written as 2x squared minus square root of 2017x squared plus x plus 2 square root 2017x minus square root of 2017. We'll combine the first two terms and we combine the third and the fifth terms. So the first two terms will give us x squared minus 2x. And later on, we can use this as 2016. And for the third and fifth terms, it is negative square root of 2017, and we have x squared minus 2x. Again, we can write as 2016. And we left with x minus square root of 2017, which we can say as it is 1 later on. Okay, so this will be equals to x 2016 minus square root of 2017, and this again 2016, and x minus square root of 2017 is equals to 1. And again, there is a factor of 2016. We can take it out and left with x minus square root of 2017 plus 1. X minus square root of 2017 is equals to 1. So this will be 2016 plus 1. And the answer is 2017. So the answer for this question is 2017. You can use this similar idea to solve the following question. And the solution can be found in the link in the description. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye bye.